Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing Fenugreek and how it works to improve those voluptuous curves. Y'all know that I pretty much made myself into a guinea pig for trying out a bunch of different items that people say work for the body. Now, although I'm currently on my macaroon kick, I have definitely had my experiences with Fenugreek, so today I'm here to share with you all great information about Fenugreek. So if you're interested, just continue watching. Now, Fenugreek has been used for a very long time for an array of different things. But one of the things that it's most popular for nowadays is improving your curves. Now, I've had a few people come to me and say, Maddie, how does Fenugreek work for increasing your curves? Since in order to have a curvaceous body, there's 3 ways to get it. Number 1, you have to be born with it. Number 2, you can work out for it. Or number 3, you can pay for it. Well, in this case, you pretty much use a Fenugreek in conjunction with working out in order to get the results that you desire. Our butt is made up of muscles just like every other part of our body. So if you take something like Fenugreek, it's going to give you the energy and the stamina that you need in order to push forward in your workout in order to receive better results than you would if you were just working out alone. Fenugreek contains something called carbohydrates. And this is what provides energy and resistance for amazing workouts. If you don't mention working out, a lot of people just think that if they take this alone, this is going to give them out of this world results for their body. Make sure that you are definitely targeting your butt muscles, your legs, all these areas while you're working out, along with taking Fenugreek for the best results. Now, that's not to say that people that are taking Fenugreek alone have never seen results in gaining weight. In fact, some women actually have, and I've had people report to me and tell me that they've seen great results from just taking Fenugreek alone. But whenever it comes to this, everyone always asks, is the results permanent? Well, if you're someone who is taking Fenugreek alone in order to improve your body, in order to improve your bump size, and you're not doing any type of workouts, I would say that the answer is no. Your breasts and buttocks, everything pretty much that Fenugreek helped you to achieve while you were taking it will diminish along with you stopping taking the supplement, the powder, the seeds, whatever form that you may be taking. Once you stop taking it, the estrogen level drops and your enlarged bum and breasts will go away. So it is possible to receive results by taking Fenugreek alone, but these results will not last because once you stop taking it, your results will of course diminish. Now, you could just be one of those people that just says, well, I really don't care and I don't care to work out either. So if my results fade, I'm not too worried or concerned about it. And if you happen to be one of those people, then go for it. Shoot for the stars and aim high. But for those of my ladies that want to keep their results around and maintain them, definitely incorporate a workout routine along with this product. There isn't really too many things that I like promoting along with not having a great workout routine for it, because workout gives you foolproof results, meaning that you're guaranteed results. If I just go off and I do something on a whim, like try Fenugreek, without really doing anything in order to maintain it, those results aren't going to stick around. But that's pretty much it. That's all that I have for you all on today. I hope that you all found this video helpful. For my ladies that work out, girl, get it in and continue taking your Fenugreek. And for those of my ladies that want to keep their results but are just taking Fenugreek alone and don't have any type of workout routine, honey, make sure that you definitely stay on it. And that is all that I have to share with you all on today. If you didn't gain anything else from this video, hey, listen to this. Always remember to keep glamming, to keep striving to be your most fabulous, most beautiful self. And I'm going to see you all in my next one. Bye.